Hello students, now in this video we will discuss about the force on a conductor, current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. We all know that if the charged particle is moving in a magnetic field, then we have a formula F is equals to Q V cross B. Okay, we all know that the force on a charged particle moving in a magnetic field. There is a force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. You know that if this is a conductor, the charge will also flow in the conductor. Okay, same formula, but little bit different. Okay, let us suppose we have a conductor and there is a charged particles. Okay, and capital N is the total number of charges in the conductor, and V is the volume, where small n is the number of charged particles per unit volume, where volume is this is the cross sectional area A and this is the length, you know. Okay, basically inside the conductor no positive charge will move, only electron will move. Let us suppose we have taken only one electron. So force on a electron, E, in place of Q we will write E, and velocity, because velocity of electron is the drift velocity. In place of velocity we will take drift velocity cross magnetic field. Okay, because the charged particle electron will move again in this direction. In this formula the charge should be positive. If the charge is negative, there will be a negative sign. Okay, so charge electron is a negative charge, then we will place a negative charge here. If there is a n number of electrons, total number of electrons is n, then total force will be what? Total force will be capital N times force on one electron. Okay, total force will be equals to, in place of capital N we can write N into V. In place of capital N, NV, and in place of V we can write A into L, A cross sectional area into length of the conductor. N A L F. Okay, N A L, in place of F we will write E V D cross B. Hope you are getting. N A L, if you replace like that, minus E, or simply E L V D minus V D cross B. Okay, in place of minus L V D, if you are taking current, because we know that current is equals to NEA VD. Hope you know. Okay, NEA VD. If you insert I here, I is the direction of current, where the current will be in the direction of positive charge, but here we have taken electron. That means the direction of motion of the electron and the direction of flow of current will be different, means opposite. Okay, we will write LVD because direction will be opposite. If we have taken current NAE, VD you can take common, and L cross B. In place of this, you will write current I, L cross B. This is the derivation of force on a current carrying conductor in magnetic field. Okay, there will be cases. You know that if we talk about the magnitude, ILB sine theta, ILB sine theta. First case will be if theta is equals to 0 degree, force will be sine 0 is 0. Second case, if theta is equals to 90 degree, the force will be ILB, means maximum force. Okay, maximum force. If the theta is 90 degree, the force will be ILB, and this is maximum force. Okay, I hope you are getting, and thanks for watching.